Hey, hi! Even if you are non Indian, you may have heard about Indian food definitely. We Indians have our own ways of making and trying different cuisines. Let's start. Hey guys, this is Manisha and you're watching Simplify Your Cooking. Let's get started. Of course, pizza is an Italian dish, but let's learn an Indian way. So start with taking a pan and 2 tablespoons of oil in it along with some butter. Approximately 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt first. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add in some chopped ginger and garlic cloves. Let them saute well, approximately for 2 or 3 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes here and now we will add onion into it, and approximately 3 medium-sized onion I have taken and saute it till it gets translucent. Add in some salt. So after adding salt, you can see the water has separated from onions, and now it's time to add chopped tomatoes. I am taking here 4 tomatoes in big size and roughly chopped. So just add, and just after that you have to season the tomato and onion with some basic seasoning like turmeric powder and red chili powder, and especially here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder so that our sauce will turn out very beautiful red in color. So now it's time to turn off the flame and give an Italian touch to our pizza sauce. So I am adding some Italian seasoning like oregano and mixed herbs. Now mix it so well and let it cool down completely, and then we will churn it into a sauce. And tada! Our beautiful creamy yummy pizza sauce is ready now, and if you want to make it more creamy you can add cheese cubes too into it. And now it's time to make toppings. So for that I am taking 1 cup of raw sweet corns, and along with that I am taking finely chopped carrot, and that is also 1 cup. Add some salt and some chaat masala. Chaat masala is basically an Indian masala, and now we'll add some oregano around 1 teaspoon and mix herbs 1 teaspoon along with it. Mix all of them all together. If you want you can add some black pepper powder also. And now it's time to make it so creamy and yummy again. So we'll add around 2 tablespoons of that sauce we made and just mix it and keep it aside. So now it's time to make pizza base, basically instant pizza base. So here you can see I'm showing 2 ways of making pizza base. First is by dry yeast and second is by instant dry yeast. So today I am using instant dry yeast, which you have to add directly to the flour. So here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and with that I am adding 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. And if you are a beginner, just follow the instructions on the packet. If you want you can add salt too. Now add 2 teaspoons of butter, and this is salted butter so no need to add salt separately. Mix all of them. Now your instant pizza mix is ready. You can store this premix in refrigerator for at least 6 months. Now you have to take warm water and you have to knead the dough as soft as you can. You can see now our perfect soft dough is ready, and you don't need to keep it for rest. Apply some drops of oil over it and just start rolling the pizza. So as you know our dough is quite soft, so we just need to have dry flour to roll it. So just take some dry flour and roll it or dab it like this and slide it directly into the pan. So basically this is our first layer of pizza, and you have to top it with cheese as much as you like with some pizza seasoning, and just prick it like this so that it will not puff while baking. This is double cheese pizza, and now it's time to make second layer of the pizza. So for that you just have to make sure that the second layer should be smaller than the first layer in diameter, so you can cover and seal properly by all the sides. Now prick the pizza base again, especially the upper layer, so that all flavors of sauce can be penetrated inside. Just apply sauce our topping with some additional vegetables you like, along with some more cheese and more herbs, and you gonna enjoy this amazing pizza. The pizza will be bursting out in few minutes now. Now our hot, beautiful and amazing pizza is ready to serve. Enjoy with your friends and family. Look at the texture and look at the layers. I like it this way, and tell me in comment box how you like the pizza. Do like and share the video if you really like the video. I'll meet you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.